Hello students, have a good day. Today our topic is land and oceans. From this lesson, we can understand the continents and oceans, learn about the characteristic features of different landforms and oceans, know about the classification of landforms and understand the oceans and its features. Pangaea. Pangaea, the supercontinent, and the sea around is Panthalassa. It was 200 million years ago when these land masses moved away from each other to gain the present position as continents and oceans. The earth is covered by water, which occupies 71%, and land that occupies 29% of the earth's surface. The surface of the earth is not even because it has lofty mountains, deep oceans, and other landforms. These landforms can be classified as first order landforms, second order landforms, and third order landforms. First order landforms. Continents and oceans are grouped as first order landforms. The vast land masses on earth are called continents and huge water bodies are called oceans. There are 7 continents. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia is the largest continent, whereas Australia is the smallest one. Apart from continents, there are 5 oceans located on the Earth's surface. They are the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic Oceans. Among these oceans, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest. Second order landforms. The second order landforms are categorized as mountains, plateaus, and plains. Mountains. A landform that rises 600 meters above its surroundings and has steep slopes is called a mountain. Mountains are found in isolation or in groups. If the mountains extend for a larger area continuously, it is called a mountain range. These ranges stretch for hundreds or thousands of kilometers. The Himalayas of Asia, the Rocky Mountains of North America, and the Andes of South America are such examples. The highest point of a mountain is known as its peak. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Mountains are the sources of rivers. They provide shelter to flora and fauna. During summer, people go to mountain regions to enjoy the pleasing cool weather. Udakamandalam, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, Yerkod, and Yelagiri are some of the hill stations found in Tamil Nadu. Plateaus are the elevated regions of the earth that have flat surfaces bounded by steep slopes. The elevation of plateaus may be a few hundred or several thousand meters. Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world, so it is called as the roof of the world. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is one of the mineral-rich plateaus in India. Plains. Plains are flat and relatively low-lying lands. Plains are usually less than 200 meters above sea level. Most plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries and distributaries. These plains are used extensively for agriculture due to the availability of water and fertile soil. They are most suitable for human inhabitation. Third order landforms. Third order landforms are formed on mountains, plateaus, and plains mainly by erosional and depositional activities of rivers, glaciers, winds and waves, valleys, beaches, and sand dunes are some examples of third order landforms. Oceans. The earth looks blue when we see it from space. This is because two-thirds of it is covered by water. The water is found in oceans and seas. Seas are water bodies partially or fully enclosed by land. The five main oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on the earth. It covers about one-third of the Earth's total area and spreads for about 168.72 million square kilometers. It is bounded by Asia and Australia in its west and North America and South America in its east. The Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean on Earth. It covers one-sixth of the Earth's total area and spreads for about 85.13 million square kilometers. The shape of the Atlantic Ocean resembles the letter S. The Atlantic Ocean is the busiest shipping route between the eastern and western hemispheres. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean on the Earth's surface. It covers an area of about 70.56 million square kilometers. It is named after India. It is triangular in shape and bounded by Africa in the west, Asia in the north, and Australia in the east. Malacca Strait connects the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. The Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica. It covers an area of 21.96 million square kilometers. It is bordered by the southern parts of the Pacific and Atlantic and the Indian Oceans. The water in this ocean is very cold. Much of it is covered by sea ice. The Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. It covers an area of 15.56 million square kilometers. It lies within the Arctic Circle. It remains frozen for most of the year. The North Pole is situated in the middle of the Arctic Ocean. The Eurasian Basin is the deepest point in the Arctic Ocean. Okay students, I hope you will understand this lesson. Thank you.